Hello, Accelerated students. This is your assignments video for December 14th through 18th. So let's take a look at what is in Schoology right now. If you look on your assignments, here's today's video. This is what we're doing right now. I'm going to talk about missing work. I'm going to talk about your study guide, but I'm going to talk about a couple of other things. So let's go to linear equations. I forgot to get all of that onto this photo. So go down to linear equations. Underneath linear equations, down towards the bottom, we have the things that we need to do for this week. So this is the video that you're watching right now. Please make sure you watch it before you come to class. So that is what you are watching right now. Last week, I sent any messages to students who had missing work. So if you got a message from me, you have missing work. So please make sure that gets done. Also make sure your 4.1 and 4.2 assignment is done. 4.1, remember, was in Schoology. 4.2 was in Go Formative. So make sure those are done as well. Then you are going to do the study guide. There is a 4.1 to 4.2 study guide. There's a video in it that you should watch. Copy it into Notability and do the study guide. But here is the key point. I will post the answer key on Wednesday. So if you look down on the next line, it's not published. When it's in gray, it means it's unpublished. I see it, you guys don't. But I will post the answers on Wednesday. You're going to check your study guide and you're going to message me with any questions. Then I will post the tech quiz on Thursday morning. So down below, the next one, take a look. Here's the 4.1 to 4.2 quiz. I will make it live Thursday morning. You're going to put it into Notability, you're going to take the quiz, and you're going to submit it by Tuesday, December 21st. Please message me with any questions. So here's the question of the week. It goes along with it. Name all the ways that you can get help for math class. When we have our Google Meet, I'm going to make sure you know all the different ways you can get help for math class. So think of those and be ready to come to your Google Meet with those answers. Have a great day. Let me know if there's questions.